Are you struggling with songs stuck in your head? Songs on the loop that you cannot get rid of, playing over and over in your head? This is where your life overflows from. This is the heart of your life. Your subconscious mind is your heart. Sub means below. So how you reprogram your subconscious mind is through your conscious mind. Conscious means being aware. So you have to be aware of what you eat mentally. Those things, each and every time when you wake up, it's program time. Whenever you wake up daily, it's program time. Meaning the things that you're doing, each and everything that you partake in, you are reprogramming your mind already on what to believe, what not to believe. You are building your value system by the things that you do and don't do. So you have to be cognizant. You have to be aware. You feed your subconscious mind through your conscious mind. Here's your conscious mind and here's your subconscious mind. You have to change what goes through your conscious mind. This is how you feed it. Those songs that are stuck in your subconscious mind is because they are downloaded, okay? Your conscious mind, it feeds your subconscious mind information, meaning things go through your eyes and then they go through your mind processes them, and if you watch them over and over or listen to the same thing over and over, and now your subconscious mind starts to download it. So this is how you reprogram your subconscious mind. You have to be cognizant of each and everything that you watch, each and everything that you listen to. Make sure they are the things that are beneficial to you. Make sure they are the things that you are proud of, right? So that you are building a value system that's going to help you in the long run. A value system that's built for your success, not for your detriment. So make sure that you are aware of each and everything. Like watching these videos over and over. If you watch this video more than 7 times, it goes directly to your subconscious mind. This is how you reprogram your subconscious mind. And if you cannot control what goes into your subconscious mind, you don't have control over your life, because your subconscious mind, like I told you, is the heart of your life. Meaning there are some of the stuff that you've downloaded that you are not aware of. They are running in the background. Even if you are not aware of it, if a situation comes up, exactly what's in your subconscious mind will pop up. So you have to make sure you are feeding your subconscious mind the right information. You are feeding your subconscious mind healthy food, things that are productive, okay? You are feeding your subconscious mind solutions instead of just limiting beliefs. You have to give your subconscious mind powerful things, powerful information. So cut it out, stop listening to things that you're not proud of, and make sure that you are feeding yourself the right information so that you don't end up with songs stuck in your head that you don't even want to sing, you don't even want to listen to. You end up repeating the same words that you heard from a song, and now you are unproductive, and now you don't even know why you are repeating that thing. You have to have ideas stuck in your head so that you can be creative, so that you can start being productive instead of being like a leech, just wasting your life, sucking up oxygen, doing nothing with your life. Because if you don't feed your subconscious mind the right information, it runs your life. This is where your life, this is the whole foundation of your life. This is it. This is the pillar of your life. Your subconscious mind, you have to reprogram it for success. You have to reprogram it so that it's beneficial for you, so that it helps you in the long run. So each and every time when you wake up, always remember it's program time, meaning you have to be aware. You have to be aware of each and everything that goes through your conscious mind. Let's go!